stars, reaching for the stars till I get it. Go higher, I glide. The further it gets, I'ma keep reaching for the stars, reaching for the stars, reaching for the stars till I get it.
I know a lot of niggas that don't like me, wanna see me fail, stuck up in a jail. Wish a nigga vanish, wish a nigga go to hell. Not knowing that I'm gangster and a nigga will prevail. I'm climbing up the stairs and I'm reaching for the stars. While having dreams of one day to driving a fancy car and popping top models and chill with them superstars and popping big bottles and go to a time so far and taking Caribbean cruise, nigga, so I refuse to lose. Sucker never been a buster, I just got a lot of dreams. Even though it seems it's hard to reach these things. Cop a lot of rings, cop a lot of chains. Going cop a cribs and let my family do their thing. Take them out the hood so they can live a good life and take them far away from the fucking red and blue lights. Look, I really